I'm Mike Bolger, and these are the private residents at Westwinds, part of the Beechwood community. This is a special private community with all of your outdoor maintenance included. Now let's get inside. Who am I speaking to today? Families, downsizers, and professionals alike. This place is perfect. Let's take a look. What a great setup we have here for everyday living or elegant entertaining. This is a kitchen with a reading nook off the main floor here. And what a kitchen. A massive countertop just to pull up the great seat to watch the master at work. And there's even more. Look at this amazing soaring ceiling family room. Perfect and good enough height for even famous basketball player 7'8" Olivier Rio. This is massive. The open to above look is just so dramatic. Now let me show you the top floor. You really do get it all here. French doors to your walk-in closet. Wait until you have a look at this private bath. If I could fit in here, this is even enough space for you and one other. Have a look at the other bedroom and the 4-piece bath. Down here is the rest of your home with a den, a rec room, a pair of bedrooms, and another full bath. You know, this home really has no wasted space. There's a spot here for the little ones, and for you overachievers, there's a spot here just for you. With southern exposure, you're gonna love it back here. No fences in sight, community vibe all throughout the village. Thank you for joining me with this great tour of 306 Roxton Drive. I hope to see you real soon. Any questions or comments, please feel free to visit my website at mikebolger.ca or call me direct anytime at 519-616-2656. Thanks a lot again for joining me. I'll see you real soon.